Hey there friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset this Google Nest Thermostat. Let's do it. Okay, so we are currently on the home screen of our Google Nest Thermostat. Please ignore the paint over here. We recently installed this guy. I need to repaint over our old thermostat area. Basically, we need to factory reset this specific guy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to touch the side here, and this is going to bring up our menu options. What I can do is just push, and I can actually drag down the side here. And as you can see, it moves down our options. We're going to go all the way down here to the settings. I'm going to tap that once. It's going to go into our settings, and then again, we're going to go ahead and drag all the way down until we get to this little rotating, almost looking clock right there. And then we'll go ahead and tap on that. And as you can see, we can return to factory defaults. And I want to do that. I want to go to reset and click on that. It's going to ask us if we're sure. I'm going to go down one more, click on that. And as you can see, it's resetting. Friends, that takes just a little bit of time to reboot there. Once it does, you'll see the Google symbol come up and it'll be in its factory reset mode. I hope that helps. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, we're making a bunch more Nest Google thermostat tutorial videos. Those will be coming out really soon. Thanks for watching.